Three hearts aren't the only thing that make octopuses special. Their blood is blue too. Most animals have two hearts that pump blood around their bodies. One of these is the heart we're all familiar with, the one that sits in our chests and makes that iconic thump, thump, thump. The other is actually a bunch of smaller pumps near the gills that help push blood through those feathery organs. Once the blood passes through the gills, it's oxygenated and ready to be pumped to the rest of the body. But not in the case of octopuses. You see, their blood doesn't turn bright red until it reaches their third heart. This one is located near their brains and acts as a sort of mixing chamber. It combines the oxygen-rich blood coming from the gills with the deoxygenated blood returning from the rest of the body before sending it back out again, completing the circuit. But that's not the only thing that makes their circulatory system strange. You see, unlike our blood, which is red because it contains lots of iron, an octopus's blood is blue because it uses a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin to carry oxygen. Hemocyanin is actually more efficient than our iron-based hemoglobin at transporting oxygen, especially in cold environments or when there's not much oxygen to go around, like in the deep sea where many octopus species live. Another weird thing about octopus hearts: while they're swimming, the heart that pumps blood to the rest of their body stops beating. That's one reason octopuses tend to crawl along the ocean floor rather than swim around. Swimming is way more tiring for them. Now, if that doesn't sound strange enough, consider this. When an octopus loses a limb, say to an attack by a hungry shark, it can regrow that arm or tentacle. And amazingly, the new growth has its own blood vessels and nerves. In fact, octopuses have so many amazing abilities, from their incredible camouflage skills to their knack for solving puzzles, that scientists are constantly surprised by their intelligence. Plus, they can squeeze through impossibly small spaces. All told, the octopus is one of nature's most extraordinary evolutionary achievements. And we're still discovering just how remarkable these alien-like creatures really are. Specimen use made possible by a university museum.